In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Remote Desktop on Windows 11. Whether you're trying to connect to your home computer while at the office, or simply need to access your desktop from another room, setting up Remote Desktop is a handy skill to have. We'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that you can establish a remote connection smoothly and securely. Let's get started. First, we need to enable Remote Desktop on your computer. Begin by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard simultaneously. This shortcut quickly takes you to the Settings menu, saving you time navigating the usual interface. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate and click on the option labeled System. You'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. Look for Remote Desktop and select it. Now simply turn on the switch that enables Remote Desktop. Doing this will prompt a confirmation pop-up. Make sure to click Confirm. It's as easy as that. And don't worry, once enabled, Windows automatically updates your firewall settings to allow remote desktop traffic, so you don't have to jump through extra hoops. Next, you'll want to take note of your PC name, which will serve as a key identifier for making remote connections. While still in the Remote Desktop section within Settings, you should see an option that displays your PC name. This string of characters uniquely identifies your computer on the network, so take a moment to either write it down or copy it to a text file for safekeeping. Remember, you'll be needing this information when you want to connect from another device later on. Lastly, let's talk about user account permissions. By default, any administrator account on your computer will have the ability to connect remotely without any additional setup. However, it's good to double check that your user account has the correct permissions if you're not the main admin on this machine. To ensure you have seamless connectivity, it might be worth verifying your user account type before attempting to connect from another location or device. And there you have it. Your Windows 11 machine is now set up to accept remote connections. With just these few simple steps, you can now easily access your computer from anywhere you have an internet connection. This feature is especially useful for maintaining productivity when you're away from your primary work environment or needing quick access to files and applications stored on your home computer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.